वेलकम टू परम क्लासेस चैनल। तो दोस्तों आप देख रहे हैं परम क्लासेस चैनल और जानेंगे आज एआई से जुड़े हुए कई सवालात और कई बातें जो आपने आज से पहले नहीं जानी होगी। तो दोस्तों आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा और उसके सब टॉपिक रहेंगे, पहले हम उसे जान लेते हैं कि हम आज किस टॉपिक पर फोकस करेंगे और वो टॉपिक्स क्या रहेंगे। तो मैं आपको पहले ही बता दूं कि आज जो आपका परम क्लासेस चैनल है कुछ खास लेकर आया है। आज कुछ खास होने वाला है इस वीडियो में। तो दोस्तों देख लेते हैं क्या खास होने वाला है। तो उन अंडरलाइंस को देख लेते हैं कि क्या आज के इस वीडियो में खास है एआई को लेकर। दोस्तों आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन इंडिया आज का हमारा मेन टॉपिक रहेगा। सब टॉपिक रहेंगे। व्हाट इज द करंट स्टेट ऑफ artificial intelligence in India? Second, how will artificial intelligence impact job opportunities in India? What career path will be in demand for AI professionals, data science professionals and software engineers in India? What are the benefits of AI in the workplace? And most is, what are the risks of AI in workplace? Friends, when we are talking about the AI, we will know all things in English first of all, then we will know all things in Hindi also. Then friends, first of all, we will know the main points of AI, the meteoric rise of artificial intelligence means AI in India mirrors the global trend of how AI has been disrupting sectors like travel, like finance, manufacturing and media. In fact, according to a 2023 PwC report, the adoption of artificial intelligence in India has increased. Be carefully listen. India has increased from 40% in 2020 to 56. How many? 56% in 2022 and 23. Furthermore, the growth of AI jobs in India is going to be the strongest in the next 5 years across roles at 38% increasing rate. As per the World Economic Forum's WEF Future of Jobs Report 2023. This video seeks to explain the impact of AI on the future of Indian jobs. A thorough reading of this video will help you to figure out how to secure your career accordingly in the AI, artificial intelligence. Friends, in this video we will explore many things and you will know. First of all, the first question is, what is the current state of artificial intelligence in India? Friends, now we come on the point. The emphatic arrival of generative AI in 2023 has only cemented AI's place in the popular imagination, and in this fact we will know which industries and which areas are suitable and which areas are identified where AI has been put their legs with solid attention, and these are first of all healthcare. The industry is using AI to develop diagnostic tools, design treatments, and improve the delivery of health care. Many companies are already using AI powered chatbots to support patients at any given hour. Second is rapid growth in AI startups. Several startups dabbling in generative AI have mushroomed in India, especially during 2023. The robust ecosystem is conducive for developing AI tools for business and public at large. There are 7 AI unicorns in India, which includes Fractal and Unicorn, according to AIR, State Capital's State of AI Report 2023. Next is manufacturing area. In manufacturing, companies are exploring ways to incorporate AI into their workflows. This is because AI tools can automate tasks, improve quality controls, and reduce the costs. AI robots can also take over dangerous tasks on the factory floor, such as welding, cutting, painting with chemicals, etc. Next is supply chain system. Friends, in this field, the AI has been make its goodwill in very known name and fame. Friends, artificial intelligence companies in India are keen to provide solutions that improve visibility and risk management across the supply chains. And these are Picker, Shipsy, and Loginext are popular startups trying to address the bottlenecks in the supply chain ecosystems. How will artificial intelligence impact job opportunity in India? Our next topic of today's video. Many theories have been floated about the far-reaching impact of artificial intelligence in India. We will know few and most of them. First of all, job growth. Friends, as noted, AI jobs in India will witness the biggest churn among roles. The growth is significant in the result in lakhs of jobs. How many? Lakhs of jobs in this field. This growth will benefit diverse sector ranging from retail to market. Development of skills. Friends, an individual with a specialized set of AI skills will be spoiled for choice. As a result, every professional will want to upgrade their skill set to stay ahead of the curve. This will spur a demand for organizations offering courses in AI. Next is demand for automation. Friends, the number of tasks automated by artificial intelligence in India is undoubtedly going to see a rapid increase in field of automation. For instance, the business process outsourcing means BPO industry will look to automate certain tasks as we have seen with AI called assistants. Next is formulation of policy. Friends, the rise of AI will bring up several ethical and regulatory questions. There is a need for a strong policy framework in light of these concerns. Hence, many opportunities may open up in areas such as AI, regulation, compliance, and governance. Friends, next is impetus for innovation. AI is undeniably disrupting India's vibrant startup scene, especially with the number of AI startups going up in the last few years. The number will continue to grow and rise, which in turn will encourage innovation and product development. This will disrupt traditional business models and create new markets in new views, in new simultaneously problems with solution. But now our subtopic is what career path will be in demand for AI professionals, data science professionals, and software engineers in India. Now that is the very important topic, because we are going to know the career opportunities in the field of AI. The main thing is there is no shortage of artificial intelligence companies in India. Arya.ai, Fluid.ai, and Nanobee are some popular ones, and they are fueling the demand for professionals, as most of them are data scientists. The expanding AI scope in India generates a healthy demand for data scientists. They help in analyze large data sets and offer insights for building predictive models. The average annual salary for a data scientist in India is 10 lakh 20,000 and 850. Machine learning engineer, MLE. A machine learning engineer means MLE develops ML frameworks and algorithms used in different recommendation systems. According to Indeed, an MLE earns an average of 9,07,980 per year through AI career. Data analyst. A lot of data science professionals end up becoming data science analysts. They collect and analyze the data to provide actionable insights to businesses to aid their decision making. A data analyst can earn up to rupees 5,50,980 per year. Next is data engineer. A data engineer builds data storage capabilities and maintains data pipelines for processing data, it must be remembered that the need for secure data storage is growing daily. Owing to this recruitment, data engineers earn an average annual salary of 9,82,593 in Indian currency. Next is full stack developer. Friends, many software engineers become full stack developers eventually. They are well versed in front end, back end development of websites and mobile applications. They can earn average annual salary of rupees 8,08,224. Cloud engineer. Friends, the demand of cloud engineers is at an all-time high due to businesses transitioning to the cloud. They design and maintain cloud infrastructure for organizations and platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. A cloud engineers earn an average pay of Indian currency 8,79,448 rupees per year. Now next topic is, what are the benefits of AI in the workplace? Friends, the benefits stemming from the bargaining AI scope in India can be tempting for organizations of all sizes. We can know most of them, and these are automation. The use of automation can free up employees from manual tasks. It will allow them to focus on strategic activities and improve their productivity. Data-driven decision making. AI processes large databases in real time, making it capable of offering predictive analytics, identifying patterns, etc., thereby enabling informed decisions. Next is tailor-made services. AI algorithms can provide personalized recommendations and content to users and employees, subsequently improving the retention. Next is continuous support. The use of chatbots and virtual assistants has gone up considerably as they provide customer support 24/7. This also helps in fostering better relationships with users. What are the risks of AI in the workplace? Friends, there are many types of risks when we are applying the AI in our life. There are several concerns about artificial intelligence in India and abroad. We will know some risks from them. Job displacement. Friends, the most risk is job displacement. The advent of any new technology is associated with the loss of jobs simultaneously. The automation provided by AI can wipe out jobs in sectors like banking, manufacturing, coding, customer service, data entry, and education also. Inherent biases. Most AI systems are trained on data sets riddled with inherent human biases. This can result in discriminatory or unfair outcomes. Now, lack of regulations. Friends, the word of AI is literally, we know that the word of AI is literally a new frontier in technology. Therefore, the absence of regulations can make it difficult to affix accountability in case of errors. These are the risks in the path of AI applying in our life. Now we will know that why artificial intelligence will not destroy the jobs of Indian economy. Friends, the ascent of artificial intelligence in India has many doomsayers doling out apocalyptic predictions. Now we will know what are the main things which say that artificial intelligence will not destroy jobs. First of all, creations of new jobs. Friends, the development of AI will create many jobs in the coming decade. It will create jobs in many new areas, and youth will also find thousands of jobs in the form of AI and ML developers, data scientists, data analysts, etc. Recycling and upskilling, reskilling and upskilling. Many employees will be transitioned into new roles instead of being replaced altogether. However, firms must ensure that they offer training and upskilling programs. Impact of diverse sectors. The demand of AI will not be limited to tech firms. Many people will want to procure AI skills, leading to a rush for AI courses that cater to their needs. Similarly, AI can spur jobs growth in sectors of agriculture, healthcare, finance, education, manufacturing, etc. Now we will know the AI industry in India. What is the size of AI industry in India? India's ascent as a hub for artificial intelligence AI is integral to the industry's remarkable trajectory. The global AI market, valued at USD 95.60 billion in 2021, is poised for extraordinary growth with a projected surge to USD, very big data, and that is 1847.58 billion by 2030 only. In next 4 years or 6 years, indicating a substantial expansion at a CAGR of 32.9% from 2022 to 2030. This forecast presented by Next MSC underscores the industry's transformative potential. India, with its burgeoning technological landscape, aligns seamlessly with this global momentum. Distinguished by cutting-edge research institutions, tech parks like Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, and leading universities such as the International Institute of Information and Technology, India contributes significantly to AI innovation. The cities role in India's AI landscape is expanding, fostering an environment ripe for collaboration, research, and development. The artificial intelligence industry in India, mostly in Pune, is not merely witnessing growth but actively steering the narrative of AI advancements, making it a focal point for professionals and enterprises keen to explore the dynamic realm of artificial intelligence AI. AI application transforming India's landscape. India, a thriving technological hub, is witnessing a profound impact of artificial intelligence applications across diverse sectors. In the healthcare domain, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics with image recognition algorithms and predictive analytics, enhancing patient care outcomes. Financial institutions in India are leveraging AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and personalized customer experiences, using in a new era of efficiency and innovation. The manufacturing sector is expecting and experiencing a paradigm shift, employing AI for predictive maintenance, quality control, and process optimization, therefore increasing productivity. India's education system is also embracing AI applications for personalized learning, adaptive assessments, and educational analytics, enhancing the overall learning experience. Moreover, smart city initiatives in India are integrating AI to optimize traffic management, improve public services, and enhance urban planning. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming prevalent in various industries, streamlining customer interactions and support services. As India continues to foster a collaborative ecosystem, the country is emerging as a hotbed for AI innovation, with applications spanning healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, and urban development. The transformative influence of AI applications in India is not only enhancing operational efficiency but also shaping a smarter and connected city for the future. India is another country in the world that offers numerous career opportunities in the field of AI, artificial intelligence. Here we will know the category of 10 jobs which are the main part in the AI. The first is data scientist, second is natural language processing NLP specialist, which will be focused on developing artificial intelligence systems that understand and generate human language. They are essential for applications like chatbots, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Computer vision engineer. Computer vision engineers in India work on AI systems that can process and interpret the visual data, enabling applications such as image recognition and autonomous vehicles. AI researchers in India contribute to cutting edge AI research, collaborating with universities, research institutions, and industry players to develop advanced algorithms and models. AI consultant. AI consultants provide expert guidance to business on how to implement AI solutions effectively, addressing specific business needs and recommending AI strategies. Next is machine learning engineer and AI developer. AI developers in India write code to integrate AI models and algorithms into software applications, focusing on implementation and optimization. AI support engineer. AI support engineers offer technical support and troubleshooting for AI powered applications and systems, ensuring their smooth operation. AI ethical specialists. AI ethical specialists play a crucial role in ensuring that AI systems are developed and used in an ethical and responsible manner, addressing potential biases and ethical concerns. AI product manager. AI product managers oversee that the development and deployment of AI powered products and services, ensuring alignment with business objectives. Now we will know that staying updated with the largest and latest AI trends and technologies is essential for a successful AI career in India for any other location. Friends, but there are many skills required for success in artificial intelligence, and these are soft skills and hard skills. Embarking on a career in artificial intelligence AI demands a blend of technical prowess and soft skills. From coding proficiency to effective collaboration, we will know a concise breakdown of key skills for AI careers in India. The first of all, we will know the technical skills. The most technical skills are which are required are programming language like Python, R and Java. Second is machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Next is data analysis and statistics. Next is natural language processing NLP. Next is computer vision. Next is algorithm development, data engineering, deep learning architectures, software development, big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark. Now, there are many soft skills which are also necessary for the field of AI: problem solving, analytical thinking, effective communication, continuous learning, team collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, adaptability, attention to detail, and ethical awareness. Friends, these are things which are very necessary if we are going to make our career in AI. Friends, now we will know the main ambitious job where the AI is very ambitious job in India, because the career and growth in sector of AI is very popular and increasingly day by day. So we should use AI in our life by looking at its pros and cons, boon and curse. Then we will know what is the importance of AI in our life and where we should use AI. फ्रेंड्स, इसी के साथ मैं पुनः एक बार AI को हिंदी में समझाने की कोशिश करता हूं। दोस्तों, AI को हिंदी में समझने के लिए हमें यह समझना पड़ेगा कि एक कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता है जो कि इंसान के द्वारा बनाई गई है। इंसान के द्वारा एक बुद्धिमत्तापूर्ण एक मशीन या हम कहते हैं कि प्रोग्रामिंग बनाई गई है, एक सेट किया गया है कि वो उसके अनुसार काम करेगा, उसके थिंकिंग के अनुसार काम करेगा। लेकिन दोस्तों, हम जब भारत के परिप्रेक्ष्य में इसे देखते हैं तो भारत में बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ है इसका। हजारों नहीं, लाखों नहीं, करोड़ों नहीं, अरबों रुपीज का AI भारत में हो चुका है। कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता AI पिछले एक डिकेड, एक दशक में भारत में अपना स्वरूप सुरसा के मुख की तरह बढ़ा चुका है। दोस्तों, AI से कोई भी अछूता नहीं है, चाहे वो डेटा एनालिसिस हो, चाहे वो डेटा प्रोसेसिंग हो, चाहे वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिपार्टमेंट हो, चाहे एजुकेशन हो, चाहे हेल्थ केयर हो, चाहे बैंकिंग हो, हर जगह AI ने अपने पांव पसार रखे हैं। उसने अपनी जड़ें जमा चुका है। हम चाहकर भी AI से दूर नहीं हो सकते। लेकिन जरूरत है तो इस चीज की दोस्तों ये जानना कि हम इसे यूज करें कि नहीं करें। हमें समझना होगा कि हम AI को क्यों यूज नहीं करें। इसके प्रमुख कारण है दोस्तों, क्या है दोस्तों? पहला तो है यह जॉब के ऊपर एक शत्रु की भांति बैठा है। दोस्तों, जो काम 100 लोग करते थे, जो सैलरी 100 लोगों को मिलती थी, आज एक AI ने उन 100 जॉब्स को बाहर कर दिया है, देश से बाहर कर दिया है। दूसरा है विश्वसनीय नहीं है। दोस्तों, बहुत ही कम समय हुआ है इसको आए हुए, लेकिन हमारी बुद्धिमत्ता, मानवीय बुद्धिमत्ता तो पहले से है। हम मनुष्य में विश्वास कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इस पर नहीं। क्योंकि जब मनुष्य इसे तैयार करता है तो अपने बाइस्ट काम में लेता है, अपने विचार काम में लेते हैं। हो सकता है वो विचार दूसरे के अनुरूप सही नहीं है, उसके लिए सही होगा नहीं। इसके अलावा दोस्तों, कोई भी ऐसे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस नहीं है जो कि AI को ये बता सके कि उसके दायित्व क्या है, राइट्स क्या है, कहाँ वो गलत है, कहाँ वो गलतियां कर रहा है, क्या उसकी लिमिटेशंस है, क्या उसकी सीमाएं हैं। क्योंकि दोस्तों, ये एक नया है। जैसे नया नवेला बच्चा है, उसको एक नवजात शिशु है, उसे चलने के लिए सिखाते हैं, घुटने के बल चलता है, रेंग रेंग कर चलता है, फिर वो बड़ा होता है। अभी उसे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन सिखाना बाकी है। लेकिन एक चीज बता दूं दोस्तों, हालांकि हम मानते हैं कि जॉब है वो जाते हैं, जॉब के ऊपर ये अपना फन फैलाए बैठा है। लेकिन दोस्तों, एक चीज बता दूं, नए जॉब्स क्रिएट होंगे, डेवलपमेंट के नए रास्ते खुलेंगे, हमारा देश जो वो टेक्नोलॉजी के मामले में आगे बढ़ेगा। लेकिन दोस्तों, एक चीज बता दूं, मानवता के बिहाफ पर, हम मानवीय मूल्यों के ऊपर हम किसी भी टेक्नोलॉजी को हावी नहीं होना दे सकते। क्योंकि दोस्तों, हमारी जो सामाजिक व्यवस्था है वो बिगड़ जाएगी, छिन्न भिन्न हो जाएगी, हमारा एनवायरमेंट बर्बाद हो जाएगा। क्योंकि दोस्तों, जब ये टेक्नोलॉजी जिन पावर्स की यूज करती है, उससे कार्बन उत्सर्जित होता है, कार्बन निकलता है, उसे हमारा एनवायरमेंट ले जाएगा और हमें पीने के पानी की बहुत ज्यादा सख्त जरूरत है, जो कि आज दिन प्रतिदिन कम होता जा रहा है। और उसे ठंडा करने के लिए मशीनों को, AI की मशीनों को बहुत ज्यादा जल की जरूरत होती है, पानी की जरूरत होती है। तो दोस्तों, कहां से आएगा पानी? वाटर कंजर्वेशन कहां से लाएंगे? वाटर दोस्तों, पानी की कमी, पर्यावरण प्रदूषण, ये सारे ऐसे तत्व हैं जो AI को अपनाने के पीछे अपनी वकालत करते हैं। दोस्तों, जरूरत है तो एक और अपनाने की, लेकिन उन्हीं जगहों पर जहां पर वो जरूरी है, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। तो दोस्तों, हम और आप आज एक प्रॉमिस करते हैं खुद से और समाज से और देश से और विश्व से कि हम AI को अपने जीवन में अपनाएंगे, लेकिन उसी स्थिति तक जहां पर वो हमारे संस्कारों, हमारे समाज, हमारे स्वास्थ्य, हमारे पर्यावरण पर हावी नहीं हो जाता। दोस्तों, इसकी तरफ सोचना जरूर कि AI जितना ज्यादा पावरफुल है, उतना ही अधिक नुकसानदेह भी है। तो हमें दोनों तरफ देखना है, डेवलपमेंट भी करना है और पर्यावरण को भी बचाना है, हमारे समाज को भी बचाना है, हमारे मूल्यों को भी बचाना है। तो दोस्तों लेते हैं विदा आपसे एक प्रॉमिस के साथ, एक स्वर्णिम इतिहास की तरफ चलने के लिए कि हम विकास करेंगे एआई के साथ चलकर, लेकिन बात करेंगे एआई से बचने की और उसे साथ में लेकर चलने की। तो दोस्तों देखते रहिएगा परम क्लासेस चैनल और जानते रहिएगा नए नए टॉपिक जो आप जानना चाहते हैं, जो आप सुनना चाहते हैं, जो आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कि परम क्लासेस नए नए टॉपिक लेकर आए। लेकिन दोस्तों तभी हो पाएगा जब हम टू वे कम्युनिकेशन करेंगे। दोस्तों आप अपने कमेंट्स में लिख कर दीजिए कि आप क्या जानना चाहते हैं और परम क्लासेस चैनल आपके नए टॉपिक्स